Hello dear and lovely friends, welcome back to this channel. It's been a while. I have really missed you guys, and I just want to thank you for all your comments. I do read your comments and I appreciate it. And some of you want to know why I have been absent. Yeah, I hope to be able to discuss it one of these days on my live screen, but it's nothing really special. I am well, I am healthy, but I have not forgotten you guys, and you know that you guys are amazing and that I love you. So I just want to do this video, and this is one of the most requested tutorial I have been asked, how to do these pins that we use for Edo wedding. And did you guys know the name of this pin in Edo? I'm going to measure it in this video, so stay tuned, watch the video, and I will do my best as I can to put video out here once in a while. I hope in the near future I will be able to resume posting twice a week as I usually do. So please stay with me, don't give up, and I love you, so keep watching. I will be using white to show you this, and I could in the future show you also how to do it with the red and to mix it up with some other accessories. So the things we need to do this is we will need to have our star bead, as you can see, and then we will need some of other beads like this, and we also need to have our matching thread, which is white, and we need, of course, our pin that we are going to use to pin it up. So this is it, and then the first thing we are going to do is quite simple, is to pick up one bead, you pass it through the needle. So like I said, we pick up one bead and we pass it through the needle, and we drop it, and we have to allow a little tail at the end of the thread because we'll be using this to do the work as well. You can decide to use any amount of the star bead, but I will be using 8 to do this, so I will pick up 8. I have 8, you see, 2, 4, 6, 8. I'll pull it. I will take my needle, I will pass it through the hole of this bigger bead. I'm going to show you another example and what you can also do. So it's still going to be the same procedure. You pass, you pick up 8. You can take less if you like. This is the first bead, the big one, and this is the star bead. So like I said, we are going to leave a tail, and now I'm going to pass my needle through this big bead again from the side where we have the star bead, not from the back but from the side where you staple the star bead. We'll pass it through here. And then I pull. As I pull, you make sure that your work is tight, and then you can tie it. You know, and you just repeat the same procedure. One big bead, I put 8 star bead. Can you see? So this is 8 star bead. This is the one we did before. This is the second one, and I'm still going to pass through. And I'm going to pull. I will so pull tight that it stands like this. I'll pull really tight, and then I will just tie it. So this is what you got, and then I repeat again. I will pass through again, and I will still tie. I'll make sure that my work is really tight. So I tie again. You see that? So it now forms a star. So at this point, you can decide to just pull the pin before you continue the other one. So let me pull the pin. Remember, the first one I didn't pull the pin. So you can decide to just hook the pin in, bring it down, and then you pass through, and you repeat the same procedure. Eight, and then I pass it through the bead. I pull. I really have to pull very well so that it will sit on top the bead. Yeah, what one can do is to drag. You see it's sitting on top, so you drag it, you pass through, you pass it through the pin, the same with the, just pass it through. You see, it's already standing very tight. So in order for this to stay where, if you want it to stay up like this, you keep crossing, like I said, through your pin and outside and round your pin. I tie it with this here, and that is all for this bead. Do you remember what it is called? Actually, this type of pin in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria, where it originated from, we call it bokbodo. A bokbodo, that is what we call it. And then you just cut it out. And this is one of the accessories for the wedding. This time around we usually use 4, not 5 these days. So it's still the same thing you have here. And yeah, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will also show you some other design some other time. Thank you very much and stay blessed.